Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday and welcome to a new week. So, let's look on gold with a clean, fresh weekly output. Like usual, let's begin our weekly analysis from the weekly time frame. So, firstly, we know that the opening of today was at 1746.7. So, the weekly on Monday opened and instantly started going down. But like I said last week, remember, after our buy attempt, that's why I closed all my position, because I said it can go down all the way to 1727 just as a form of a retracement before spiking back up aggressively. Nevertheless, this is all still hypothetical. Before we proceed, let's start marking the zones. So what I would like to do is, I would always look at the past history to understand where I'm at and what can I potentially obtain. So if I go back down to 2020, 2 years ago, there is a engulfing sell fail that has created a zone of engulfing buy meets engulfing buy on a weekly perspective. Okay, so now technically in this purple zone we should not look for a sell. If you wanted to sell, you must have gotten the sell from here and holding it down below, because any time, any point in here, it can just subsume and then shoots up 300 pips without you knowing. So then when we have the H4, let's then filter on that. When we have the weekly, let's then filter down to the H4. Where can we find good potential locations for a strong reversal buy? First, we identify the market. What has it done when it wanted to fly? So I would like to take this location as the first point. So do you see this engulfing cell? So let me clear up the bigger chart, the bigger box. The engulfing cell, okay, meets a hidden engulfing cell, and then when it broke, it didn't create any engulfing buy in here, it just shot up. So this zone can still considered to be fresh. So any point in here, you could see a very strong shoot up. So the first zone for the buy this week is 1714, 1705. But I don't think it can just shoot all the way down in here that simply. So let's find another zone above this zone, because we have to be specific in marking our zone so that we can increase our probability of winning. So now look at this point. I like this engulfing cell. It's a hidden engulfing cell. Okay, hidden engulfing cell. This one meets an engulfing cell, but then broke. Boom. So the previous selling zone that caused the outbreak of 800 pips is here. 1723, 1733, but let's just say 1727 like I said before. So we have these two critical buy zones that if it works really strong, meaning if it breaks below the line, you can just cut not more than 30-40 pips usually from the entry price, and you will see something nice happening in these two. When it starts spiking back up, then what do we do? Where can we sell? So I like this guy over here. This is a hidden engulfing cell meets an engulfing cell. So if I were to sell in the future, it must be somewhere in here as a solid sell. The one over here are all maybe 30-40 pips, 100 pips, but these zones are stressful. This purple zone up here would be stress free. So you can use this box as an indication. Let's say when it's already around here, you can sell, but until where? Maximum in the purple box. let's say if you were to buy, then you were spiking profit, then you want to TP. Where should you TP? Somewhere before the selling zone to get a clean TP. So this is how we do it. So let's watch first how the Monday goes. Like I always teach you guys, we at least have to wait for the US session. But nevertheless, let's hope this week is very prosperous and will bring us the same result in the past 44 days.